Hey there, keyboard enthusiasts. Today we're taking a look at the HyperX Alloy Origin 60 keyboard, and let me tell you, this little guy packs a punch. First, it comes with a USB-C to USB-A port cable. Comes with 2 extra caps and a keycap puller, as well as the keyboard. First off, let's talk about the design. This keyboard is an absolute beauty with a sleek aluminum body and stunning RGB lighting that will make your setup stand out. Let's just have a look. And with its compact 60% size, this keyboard takes up minimal desk space, leaving you with more room to work or game. But the real star of the show here is the typing experience. This keyboard features HyperX's double-shot PBT keycaps, custom red switches, which provides a super smooth and responsive typing experience, perfect for typing up documents, coding, or gaming. And with the included keycap puller, you can easily swap out the keycaps for a more customized look. Let's talk about the features. This keyboard is fully programmable with the ability to customize every key to your liking. Plus, with its advanced onboard memory, you can save up to 3 profiles directly on the keyboard, making it easy to switch between different setups or devices. However, you will need to install the HyperX Ingenuity software if you want to customize your keyboard. In short, the HyperX Alloy Origin 60 keyboard is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a high-quality keyboard that's as stylish as it is powerful. It's perfect for work, perfect for play, and perfect for anyone who wants to take their setup to the next level.